Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to add picture on picture by Picsart application on your iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Picsart application, okay, and after that please click see all to choose which photos that you want to edit into this Picsart. You can choose one photos. Okay, and now how to add another photos so that it can on the bottom of this pictures. Please take a look on this menu down here. You just need to scrolling into the left side, right, until you found a add photo. You just need to click it, and after that you can choose which photos that you want to add to. And now you already have the photos that you want to add. It's right in front of the previous picture, so you can adjust in the size now by just drag it. Okay, we can also make it transparent, a little bit transparent, by just clicking a opacity right here. You just need to click it and drag into the left side to lowering the intensity of the picture. Then we can resizing it again and adjusting the positions too, right there. Okay, right, and that's all the way how you add picture on a picture by Picsart application on your iPhone. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.